The Eurozone represents a massive economic union. Let's look at what it is and how these countries manage their money together. The Eurozone is the group of European Union member states that have officially adopted the euro as their common currency. 20 countries currently share the euro. This creates a single monetary area that simplifies trade and travel across the continent. By sharing a currency, these countries eliminate exchange rate risks, making it much easier to do business across borders. It is important to distinguish between the political European Union and the monetary Eurozone. Not every EU member uses the euro. The Eurozone economy is diverse, with major contributions from Germany, France, and Italy driving the collective financial landscape. Because they share one central bank, these countries must coordinate their economic goals to maintain stability across the entire region. Understanding the Eurozone helps explain global market trends. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning about how our global economy functions.